In this video I will show you what happens if you have problems with your printer that it's not picking up paper and you don't know why it's happening. It could be that the printer rollers, the pickup rollers need cleaning, but it could also be like in this case, I cleaned these ones before already, and one of the rollers here, it looks a bit funny. The rubber, you see the rubber of the roller came out. You see it's really spinning out like that, and this rubber melted a little bit. This printer is really old, so in many cases you might just throw it away because it's not working properly, but there is a way to fix that roller. Usually in a better printer, more expensive one, it's easy to replace these rollers, and that's the fix. Replace the rollers, the rubber. Not expensive at all, but in this case it's difficult to open it up and replace them, and it's really not worth it. How I put it back, all I want to do is make it go back to its slot. So I use this ruler and I put the ruler on the side of the roller, not under it, because if I put it under, it will try to take the ruler inside. But on the side, I try to push it back into the slot, but it's not really doing anything. The key is to do this while it's spinning, because when it's spinning it will rearrange itself, but yeah, it's very easy to make it worse. But like that, I put pressure from the edge, from outside, inside, and trying to make it go towards the center. And really take your time and notice that at the beginning it has a part where it spins fast, and then there is a part when it spins slower. That's the time when you really want to do this. But actually anything, I mean, this printer might not be usable at all if you don't do this, so it's worth to try to save the printer from the landfill or the e-waste bin. You see, I put pressure from outside, trying to make it, to force it back into place. And if the rollers don't spin, this rubber is getting even damaged actually. So look, it went back.
Okay.
It just went back now. It might not be perfect now. For a few prints, the first maybe 10-20 prints, it might leave some traces of this rubber on the paper. But look, it's working. I don't think it's gonna be more than 10 prints where you might see any of this black stuff on a paper, but if it does, it's okay. You can print the same paper multiple times, have a few papers, and that's all. Now it's picking up paper and it's working fine. It's not ideal, but it's an old printer, so yeah. The alternative here was to just get a new printer, throw this one in the e-waste bin, not in the landfill. It's good to get it into the recycling bin. For electronics, the shops that sell you the printers, they will have also a way to get rid of the old printer, or you can find the e-waste bin in your country, the recycling points. Thanks for watching. Let me know what problems you have with your printers and how you fix them, or how you would like to see how they are fixed. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this printer I use it mostly as a scanner nowadays. It's really, the printer part is not great, but the scanner works perfect.